Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how to download and install Citrix Workspace application. So what exactly is Citrix Workspace application? So if there is any user who wants to connect to the Citrix environment, that user needs to have Citrix Workspace application installed on the end user device. It could be a laptop or a desktop or any other end user device. So in order to install Citrix Workspace application, first go to google.com and type Citrix Workspace for Windows, hit enter. Okay, you see Citrix Workspace App 2205 for Windows. I'm going to click on it. Okay, you see here Citrix Workspace App 2205 for Windows. So if you're running a different operating system, you can just click on Citrix Workspace App here and it is going to show the software for different operating system: Mac OS, iOS, Linux, Android, and other softwares. So we need to download this software for Windows operating system. Since I am running Windows 10, so I am going to click on Citrix Workspace App 2205 for Windows. So once you click on it, you have this download Citrix Workspace app for Windows. I'm going to click on download. So it is now downloading the software. So Citrix Workspace application, it needs to be installed on the end user device, and in the Citrix environments you will come across scenarios where users have issues connecting to the Citrix environment. The very first thing you can check is during these situations, you can check whether the Citrix Workspace application is installed on the end user device or not. So if user says something like, yeah, Citrix Workspace is already installed, you need to check whether the Citrix Workspace application is installed properly or not. Sometimes the software may not be installed properly and users will have connecting to issues connecting to the Citrix environment. So we need to check whether the Citrix Workspace application is installed properly or not. Okay. So okay, seems like we have, yeah, we have this software downloaded now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to run the installation. Okay, I'm going to run the installation. So I'm going to just right click on this and I'm going to click on run as administrator. Okay, so it is always good to install the software as administrator. So all you need to do is right click and click on run as administrator. So it is going to start the setup now. Okay, this is the app. So it says welcome to Citrix Workspace. Citrix Workspace app installs software that allows access to virtual applications that your organization provides, including software that allows access to the applications that use your browser, allow applications access to your webcam and microphone. So what you can do is you can click on start. Okay, please accept the license agreement. Click next. If you want to enable app production, you can enable it. So I'm going to just click on install straight away. Okay, this is going to take a few minutes, so please bear with me. So if some users, if you have, if you are troubleshooting issues with some user, and if user has already installed Citrix Workspace and but still if user is not able to connect to the Citrix environment, you can also try a different troubleshooting steps, like if the can the user you know uh, connect to the Citrix environment from a different machine. Okay, if the user has a different machine, you can ask the user to connect from a different machine and see whether the whether the same user can connect to the Citrix environment or not. So these kind of things that we can check. And also we can also tell the customer to download and install a different version of Citrix Workspace application. Okay, so let's say user is user has installed Citrix Workspace 1912 or something, and you can tell the user that, okay, user, this Citrix Workspace is the older version. Can you please install the latest version of Citrix Workspace app? So you can guide the user to install this application. Once this application is installed, user can connect to the Citrix environment. So these kind of basic troubleshooting steps that you can follow to solve most of the issues. So once the installation is completed, it is really recommended to restart the machine. Okay, so once the software is installed, okay, it says installation successful. Okay, I'm going to click on finish. Okay, so if you see here, there is a blue icon here. You see there is a blue icon which is Citrix Workspace. I'm going to click on it. And if you go to search and type appwiz.cpl, okay, if you see here, Citrix Workspace 2205, 14th of June. Okay, so we have successfully installed Citrix Workspace application. So try to restart the computer. Once you restart the computer, every user gets their own Citrix URL. So connect to that Citrix URL if which your organization provides, and once you connect to the Citrix URL through a web browser, you can connect to your Citrix environment. So this is the software which needs to be installed on end user device, and we have successfully installed it. All right, I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching. I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.